The phrase "a bird's eye view" is an idiomatic expression that refers to an elevated or panoramic perspective from above, as if seen from the viewpoint of a bird flying high in the sky. It implies a comprehensive and wide-ranging understanding or observation of a situation, providing a holistic view of the surroundings or subject matter. The phrase draws upon the notion that birds, with their ability to soar above the ground, have a unique vantage point that allows them to see things from a different perspective. It suggests a broader and more encompassing view compared to being at ground level. When someone mentions a bird's eye view, they are typically describing the ability to see and comprehend the larger context, the relationships between different elements, and the overall structure or layout of a scene or situation. It implies a detached and objective perspective, free from the limitations and distractions that can occur at ground level. The expression is often used metaphorically in various contexts, including business, planning, architecture, and problem solving. It signifies the ability to take a step back, assess the big picture, and gain a deeper understanding of the interconnections and dynamics at play. For example, in urban planning, a city planner might take a bird's eye view when analyzing the layout of streets, buildings, and infrastructure to make informed decisions about development and zoning regulations. Similarly, in a business context, a manager might take a bird's eye view to evaluate the overall performance and direction of the company, considering various departments, processes, and market dynamics to make strategic decisions. The phrase can also be used in a more literal sense, such as when someone takes an aerial photograph or uses drones to capture images from above. These images provide a bird's eye view of landscapes, architecture, or events, offering a unique and comprehensive perspective. In summary, a bird's eye view is an idiomatic expression referring to an elevated perspective that provides a comprehensive understanding of a situation or subject matter. It implies a holistic view, detached from the limitations and distractions of ground level. The phrase is used metaphorically in various contexts to emphasize the ability to see the larger picture, assess interconnections, and make informed decisions based on a broader understanding. It signifies an objective and comprehensive viewpoint that goes beyond immediate details and considers the overall structure and relationships involved.